Welcome to the Dandy Basket family. To assemble your Dandy Basket, fold the tabs in and then fold the end of the basket over the tabs and secure them into the slots provided. Do the same at the opposite end of the basket. Then fold the side tabs over and into the slots provided on the bottom of the basket, making the bottom basket stable. Next, take the two pieces that form the center supports, fold and set them into the basket, securing them onto each other, making sure they fit snugly once they're in the basket. Take the top pad and pull over the center support all the way down into the bottom basket, securing the tabs into the slots. Take the second largest basket and fold the tabs in, and then fold the sides of the basket over the tabs, securing them in place. Do the same at the opposite end of the basket. Repeat these steps to the top basket. Place the second basket over the center support until you get to the ledge where it sits securely in place. Finally, place the top basket on top of the center support, securing on the ledge provided. You now have a completed Dandy Basket ready to fill with goodies and treats.